Welcome to the EdbMails Restore Microsoft Teams Data, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Microsoft Teams Restore Tool enables secure and efficient restoration of Teams sites, files, documents, lists, and libraries from backup. It supports incremental restore to avoid duplicate data and allows concurrent restoration of multiple Teams sites, ensuring speed and consistency. The tool preserves the original structure and metadata, making it ideal for precise and organized restore operation. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of restoring Microsoft Teams data using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Backup SharePoint Sites, OneDrive Teams. Select Restore to SharePoint OneDrive site. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click on Add Files. Select the encrypted backup files for restoration. Click Next to continue. Enter the target SharePoint server details. Then click Grant Required Permissions. Select the required options. Then click here to grant admin access automatically. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Select the required sites.
Click Continue.
Again, you need to authenticate on Microsoft Sign In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Admin access being granted to the selected teams. Admin access confirmed. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Next to continue. Select the required option to load the site. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
Click Start Restore. Restore operation under progress. Restore completion message. Click View Logs button to get Restore Operation report. That's it. For a hassle-free Microsoft Teams Restore, visit edbmails.com today.